Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 21. Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says a protocol to treat with CARICOM nationals being denied entry at regional borders is being finalized. She says Jamaica has maintained strong advocacy for its citizens in the process through several meetings within CARICOM fora. Of particular concern for Jamaicans in the past has been issues with entry to Trinidad and Tobago. Minister Johnson-Smith says the government's advocacy has resulted in a marked reduction in the number of nationals being denied entry to the Twin Island Republic.
We note that in 2016, 416 Jamaican nationals were denied entry to Trinidad, and this was reduced to 289 in 2017. According to PICA, 63 Jamaican nationals were denied entry in the first quarter of this year, 2018. And while we can't predict what will happen by the end of the year, certainly if this trend continues, then the reduction continues.
Senator Johnson-Smith was addressing a media briefing on foreign policy initiatives on Tuesday. She revealed that training among CARICOM member countries were ongoing, along with her ministry's public education initiatives, encouraging persons to take personal responsibility when traveling.
We anticipate that this will continue, this cooperation between public information as well as training and governmental responsibility among member states, that this will, of course, reduce some of the friction that exists.
The JIS Fund has given the Maypen and Mandeville Regional Hospitals one laparoscopic tower each and supporting instruments. Central Clarendon MP, Minister Mike Henry, says Maypen and Mandeville Regional were chosen for the donation because of the increased population density in the areas they serve.
The interventions were targeted to specific community needs based on the priorities and the development objectives that the community members themselves identify and seek to promote.
JIS Fund CEO Billy Heaven says the donation will modernize hospital offerings.
It will enable hospitals to increase service delivery and customer care. It will allow for quicker recovery time from surgical procedures. Doctors, clinicians will have access to a technology that will reduce waiting times and provide better service, as well as serve more people.
He also announced that JIS would be establishing a center with 30 dialysis machines, among several measures to improve healthcare offerings in Jamaica.
We approved a program towards a national response to chronic kidney disease, and we have already initiated the implementation of that program by approving funds to replace obsolete dialysis machines at the University Hospital of the West Indies and also the Spanish Town Hospital.
The National Works Agency will be spending $100 million on an island-wide drain cleaning project set to start soon. The work will primarily involve the removal of silt, vegetation, and solid waste from critical drains across all parishes. The program is part of the NWA's ongoing hurricane preparedness activities and will target drains that routinely cause flooding across roadways during severe weather events. Communication and Customer Services Manager Stephen Shaw says major and critical drains to be addressed under the current program are being identified and work will start in the coming weeks. Government has set up a National Culture Clubs of Jamaica to manage culture clubs in schools and communities. State Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Alanda Terrelong, made the announcement this week on behalf of Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange. He was speaking at the National Culture Clubs Conference held at the Evansville Business Complex in St. Anne on Wednesday. Culture clubs are established through schools and community groups. They provide a space where the development of the arts can be sustained and a channel through which the creative talents and skills of Jamaicans can be identified, developed, and promoted. The National Culture Clubs of Jamaica includes membership from the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, Jamaica National Commission for UNESCO, and the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. It will be managed by the JCDC. And finally, busts of Jamaica's 7 national heroes and heroines were recently unveiled at Emancipation Park in honor of the sacrifices made by our country's forefathers. The commissioning of the busts forms part of a special Jamaica 55 legacy project by the Rotary Club of Kingston. At the recent unveiling, Culture Minister Olivia Grange commended the Rotary Club for the initiative.
The Rotary Club of Kingston has made a reality of its thinking that Emancipation Park should have on show Jamaica's national heroes permanently entrenched in the park in the form of these busts and plaques. I'm pleased too that the words of the national anthem and the national pledge will be etched on the north entrance to the park.
President of the Rotary Club of Kingston, Michael Buckle, says the busts were also complemented by plaques in tribute to the national heroes and their contributions to nation building.
As Jamaica celebrates 55 years of independence, the Rotary Club of Kingston have this glorious opportunity to showcase in a permanent and meaningfully sustained way the life, the works of our nation builders, the true architects of Jamaica's journey to freedom.
The busts of the national heroes were crafted by renowned Jamaican sculptor Basil Watson. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.